thing you need to know in translations is a translation moves every point of every figure the same distance in the same direction. It looks as if the original figure could slide over onto its image. Now it's time to do some math.
Alright, so the point for W is 1, 2. And for C, it is 5, 3. And for B is 3, 5. Okay, so for W, we would take 1 minus 3, which would equal negative 2. And that is our new X. And the Y would stay the same. And for C, we would take 5 minus 3, which would equal 2. And then negative 3 would stay the same. And then for B, we would take 3 minus 3, which would equal 0. And then 5 would stay the same. And that is our new figure. Alright, Destiny, you now need to find the coordinates of the new shape. So for X, your coordinates would be negative 1, 3. Then for Z, it would be negative 3, 0. For E, it'd be 1, negative 2. For F, it'd be 3, 2. So, you would take 1 plus 2, which is your X, and you would get 1. And then for your Y, which is 3, you would take that minus 3, which would be 0. Now on to Z. Your X is negative 3, and you would take that plus 2, which would equal negative 1. And for your Y, you would take 0 minus 3, which is negative 3. Now on to E. You would take 1 plus 2, which is 3. And for your Y, you would take negative 2 minus 3, which is negative 5. Now on to F. You would take 3 plus 2, which equals 5. And you now take 2 plus negative 3, which equals negative 1. And now it is time to graph. Alright, now on to your new translation. For your first one, W would equal 2, 0. For S, it would equal 4, 0. And V would equal 3, 3. For this, all of the x's stay the same. So, you would take your y plus 2. And your new coordinate would be 2, 2. Now on to S. 4 would stay the same. And you would take 0 plus 2, which would equal 2. So S's new coordinate is 4, 2. Now on to V. Your 3 would stay the same for your x. And you'd take 3 plus 2, which would equal 5. Now graph your new coordinates. Good job.